everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I've been seeing ads for these things, and I'm like, okay, I gotta get one. This is one of those wrapping paper cutters, so it's like, it makes it easy to cut the wrapping paper. So kind of like, here's the instructions. You just kind of put it through and swipe it down. So I'm gonna give this thing a try. So let's see what these things look like. What is this? Oh, basically the same steps as it had on the back of the box. And then this is the device. So this is what it looks like here. It's round. It looks like it's got a bigger end here. So this is, I guess, the side you'll slide down, and then it goes over here, and you can see there's a little razor blade inside of there. And I don't have any wrapping paper, but what I do have is some contact paper, which should work pretty similar. So let's aim you guys down and see what it looks like here. I'll let you guys see as I do it. Okay, so here we go. So you basically just put it through. Let's see, open it up and slide it through like this way. It looks like it's this way, and it would be like this. So, so that's it right there. So if I have it like that, see there, I kind of have it just through there, and then I can just, oh my gosh, look at that. Just slides right on through. So if you have a wrapping paper, it'll just slide it right through and work awesome. Look at that, I just cut. It's got a nice, super sharp blade in there, and it's good because you can't get your finger on it because it's got that there, so it's going to be nice and fairly safe. I guess I don't think I would necessarily give it to the kids to play with, but how cool is that? Super cool. And man, that thing just cut like butter, man. It was sweet. And this is thicker than any kind of wrapping paper because it's like a contact paper with a sticky side and stuff on it. So very cool. So this is it here. This is the, I don't know what it even says too much of it, but it's the wrapping paper cutter. So very cool. Thumbs up for me on this. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.